are you doing? I'm doing great. I'm doing well. I'm doing okay. How are you doing, you guys? I hope you're doing well. So, today I will unbox my Look Fantastic, if you can see. So, let's see what I have got from them. Yeah. Okay. As usual, we get some beautiful codes here. So, and you can see I have already opened it because I was very curious to know. And you can see the Elle magazine by so beautiful. Yeah, Elle magazine, this product. And yeah, let's see. This is a leaflet. Yeah, bird. These are the products. You can see these products and these products too. So let's see what I have got from them. So to start with, they sent me this beautiful blush. If you can see, the blush is like this by Pixi. Such a beautiful color. I really like the packaging, so beautiful. It is by Beach Rose. Fresh Face Blush by Beach Rose. If you can see how beautiful. Come like this, you open it. So let's see. Oh, if you can see the color. Yeah, it's a light pink. I think for my color, skin color doesn't show off. It's like a beautiful color. Blush will add a healthy glow to your complexion with warm toned color. This colored brand focuses on creating pure and botanical infused formulas that gives skin a radiant, fresh appearance. Enhance your own natural beauty with Fresh Face Blush. Beauty tips. Lightly dust this blush across the apple of your cheek. So yeah, took my hand. How you eat? Yeah, very beautiful color. I really like it. So this is by Pixi, and this is here. Okay. And the second product they sent me is this mouse. If you can see, the mouse is like this. It is a product made in Korea, but developed in France. So I think this is a product made in France. So yeah, let's see what it does tell you. Si chiama, it is called Tolika Bubble Moss Bio Detox. Transform your skin with the Tolika Bubble Moss Bio Detox. It is an innovating foaming charcoal moss that contains thousands of nourishing microbubbles. On contact with skin, the formula effectively detox, hydrates, and unclogs block pores to banish impurities, revealing clear, bright, and glowy skin. So, the procedure. Unfold the moss and lay it on a clean, dry face. A fine, dense foam will form. After 10 minutes, take off the moss, massage the foam into your skin, and rinse. So yeah, we recommend doing this face 2 or 3 times a week. Always moisture afterwards. So yeah, you use this moss. After the moss, you moisturize it, and it is said you use this 2 or 3 times. So third product, let's see the third product. This is a Monu Skin. Let's see what is called you. Yeah, this is the first product. Monuskin Night Monuskin Night Renewal Complex. So it says refresh and rejuvenates your skin while you sleep. This is a night cream. So this lavish treatment ensures you wake up brighter with an improved natural elasticity of your skin. containing marine collagen and polysaccharides. The complex revitalizes your complex while fine lines are smoothed out, firmness is restored, and signs of aging is prevented. It is like an anti-aging cream. So what is Tade? How to use it? After cleansing and toning, massage into face, neck every night using a gentle upwards movement. So you need to take it like this. Okay, BB tips. As you sleep, the skin ability to absorb active ingredient picks your skin cell generation power is higher, so always use as night treatment. So yeah, if you want something good, a good treatment for your skin, always use it at night, because at night we sleep and our skin works better. That it is that. This is a Pry Thought Décolletage Cream. So it is yeah. This is made from USA. So yeah, let's see how it is. What is said. Did you know your neck ages faster than your face? No, I didn't know. Yeah. Well, this is the number one selling cream by Pry. Is going to be an absolute lifesaver. So yeah, this is a lifesaver. The weightless, fast absorbing formula improves crepe skin double chins if you have double chin. Yeah. Droopy jaws and turkey necks with a visible result in 7 days. It's just 7 days. So if you use it for 7 days, I would think it will improve your neck. The ingredient of mulberry, saffrage, and grapeseed extract combine to brighten and diminish age spot and discoloration, while the shea butter hydrates. How to use it? Apply in gentle upward stroke from coverage from chin AM to PM. AM to chin, AM and PM. I don't know what that means, AM, PM. I think this is, you can use it for morning and night. While applying, do not overly massage the neck as stain into your skin. So yeah, if you say you do a light massage, I say it's not bad. I'm happy they sent me this. I must take care of my neck. And then they gave me Avaha body cream, body lotion. So yeah, this is like this, if you can see, and it is cruelty free. Yeah, it is cruelty free product. I really like product. This mineral Ahava mineral body lotion. This incredible body lotion uses the power of Dead Sea water, rich in skin-friendly minerals such as magnesium, calcium, potassium, increases the skin moisture level, providing all-day comfort. Let the formula nourish your dry, itchy skin and provide refreshing hydration in fast-absorbing formula and will not leave your skin greasy and stick. So it is absorbed very easily and it will leave your skin so smooth. So yeah, how to use it. Apply generously on a clean skin after a bath or shower. BB tips. Protect to use when the weather is getting a bit older and when your skin starts to get a little dry and flaky in the winter. So yeah, it is suitable for winter because it really nourishes your skin. So yeah, gave us this by Dr. Lip, a natural. So elderberry lip tint or original. So they sent me elderberry pigment, if you can see. So a global beauty staple designed to leave lips soft and smooth with a high gloss finish. Originally created as simple nipple balm for breastfeeding women, it became an essential among the top celebrity artists to create extra long-lasting gloss and priming before makeup. use this either to relieve chapped lips or intensely moisturize the area of the dry skin like corticosteroids. Squeeze out the product into your fingertips and use it and spread it on your lips for glossy moisture. BB tips. Apply a small amount of the product to a small brush and use it to neaten the sharpen the edges of your eyebrows. If you have receded, use it tightly your lip for natural stained look. So yeah, you can it say it is used. You can use it even before you put your lipstick because it really hydrates your skin. So yeah, it comes like this. So let's see. Okay, you can see the color. No, doesn't have smell. Okay, I'll write it. It is full size. This is full size, so it costs around full size 60 ml. No, full size 60 ml. No, 15 ml is for 16 euros, and this is 8 ml. So the half the quantity. I think it is 7 euros. So yeah, not bad. So if you can see, they gave me how much thing. They gave 1 product, 2 product, 3 product, 4 product, 5 product, 6 product. Oops, 6 product. If you can see, so this is full size. I really like it. Even this one is full size, and even this one is full size. So I will say good job, Look Fantastic. You gave us some good full size products. So yeah, if I like this box, yes, I like it because I never knew this brand. So I really like this beauty box, and I will give it a thumb up because many products I never tried the Pixi one, so I'm excited to give me. So yeah, if you can see the box, the products are so nice. So thank you, Look Fantastic. Okay, then we will meet next video because I need to do another boxing. So stay tuned and stay blessed. So yeah, we will meet next video. So bye bye, take care, bye bye.